Hey, Devon Brown here, co-founder of the 12-Minute Affiliate System, and in this short video, I'm going to teach you all about sleep sales technology, and by the time you're done watching this video, you're going to understand why sleep sales technology is the missing piece of the puzzle, the one secret ingredient that you've been missing that's been keeping you from having massive success in your online business, and best of all, I'm going to teach you all about it in under 4 minutes. So with that, let's jump right in and get started. Now, the first thing we need to understand is that the core idea behind making money online is actually really simple, but it doesn't work. Let me explain. So if we want to make money online, the idea is simple. What we do is we start with website visitors, or what's commonly known as traffic, right? If you want traffic, because you got to have people visiting a website to buy stuff if you want to make money, right? So what we do is we start with our website visitors or our traffic. And if you don't know how to get traffic, don't worry about it. Once you become part of the 12-Minute Affiliate family, you can literally just log into your members area and then click on a little button that says, get traffic, and you can order as much or as little as you want based on your budget. It's really easy to do. So you start by ordering your traffic or your website visitors. Then what happens is you send those visitors to a product. Ideally, a product that somebody else created so that you don't have to worry about the setup and you don't have to worry about processing payments or dealing with customer support or any of that stuff. And then ideally, in a perfect world, a certain percentage of those people, of the website visitors, will buy the product, and then you'll make commissions, right? And those commissions get sent to you via direct deposit or PayPal or check or however you're getting paid. That's the idea behind making money online, but like I said, it doesn't work. Now, the reason this doesn't work is because the truth of the matter is that the average person usually has to see an offer between 7 and 20 times before they make the decision to buy. So that means that the problem with this model is that it only gives you one chance to make a sale, which means that there's a 99% chance that you're going to fail if you use this traditional model. So what we know is that this model here does not work. So what's the solution? The solution is to create a system that first captures the information from the website visitors and then automatically follows up with them while you're sleeping. So when you implement sleep sales technology in your business, what happens is it looks like this. You simply order your website visitors, right? Really simple to do, as we've discussed, and you send those visitors not directly to a product, but instead we send those visitors to a system that first captures their information and generates what we call leads. And then it dumps those leads into a system, and that system will follow up with the leads while you're sleeping. And so the way our system works is that week 1, the system will automatically promote product number 1 while you're sleeping. Week 2, the system will automatically promote product number 2 while you're sleeping. Week 3, the system will automatically promote product number 3 while you're sleeping. Week 4, the system will automatically promote product number 4 while you're sleeping. And this goes on for several months. This goes on for month after month after month, about 6 months in total, automatically. And obviously it can happen while you're sleeping or while you're out with friends and family or while you're just living your life or while you're working your job. That's the power of sleep sales technology. Now, once you've implemented sleep sales technology in your business, right, and you've been doing it for a while, let me show you some potential results. These are my actual commissions from my business, which utilizes sleep sales technology. These commissions are not a guarantee of income. Obviously, I've been doing this a while, but I just wanted to show you what's possible. So you can see here, back here in June, I was doing anywhere from $112 a day up to $500 a day. And then the more leads that got into my system and the more automatically they were followed up with in August, that income grew from anywhere from $300 a day to up to $900. Look at this. $1,000 a day. And then fast forward a few months later, I'm doing anywhere from $870 a day up to $1,800 a day. Again, not a guarantee of income, right? Just showing you what's possible when you have sleep sales technology in your business. And with our software, you can have the entire process with sleep sales technology up and running before you go to bed tonight. So that was a little bit more than 4 minutes, maybe 4 minutes and a few seconds, but I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you now understand the power of sleep sales technology and how it automatically makes sales. And what I want you to do now is, depending on where you're watching this video, follow the instructions and get started with the 12-Minute Affiliate System today and get everything set up before you go to bed tonight. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.